So you're thinking of moving to Atlanta, Georgia, and you want to purchase a luxury estate for you and your family? Well, stay tuned, because today we're going to take you to the amazing Toll Brothers. This is a brand new community. They just started building. They're going to have 24 luxury estates from 3,000 square feet up to 4,000 square feet homes. Amazing, amazing community, and of course a very good location in one of the best school districts here in Georgia. This beautiful community is called CrossCreek by Toll Brothers, and it's going to be in South Forsyth High School, which is 10 out of 10. South Forsyth Middle, 9 out of 10. So amazing public schools, actually some of the best public schools in the state of Georgia. Now, as you know, Toll Brothers is very well known for choosing the best locations for their master plan communities and the best schools, public schools here in Georgia. In today's video, we're gonna take you to CrossCreek by Toll Brothers, a brand new luxury community. They're gonna have different floor plans available. We're gonna present those in a second, but stay tuned because we're gonna show you the entire community. They just have the road ready right now, and they are getting ready to open the model home. Now, some of these properties are already under contract because they have pre-sale going on, but they're gonna have more than 15 homes still available. So if you are looking for a new construction and you want a luxury estate, make sure you contact us today so we can bring you here to Toll Brothers, CrossCreek by Toll Brothers, so you can choose your lot and you can choose the floor plan that is available for you. If you stick around until the end, we're gonna share with you the best kept secrets of this neighborhood that you definitely don't want to miss. And we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notification so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwannee, Alpharetta, Cumming, Beaufort, Johns Creek, or the surrounding areas, and we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 90 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today we're gonna take you to CrossCreek by Toll Brothers, a brand new community here in Cumming, Georgia, and of course an amazing location and the best public schools in the state of Georgia. In today's video, we're gonna tell you the different floor plans that they have available in CrossCreek. We're gonna show you the model home, and we're gonna drive to the neighborhood, and of course we're gonna tell you everything that you need to know about this beautiful community by Toll Brothers. So let's go after it right now. In this gorgeous community, CrossCreek by Toll Brothers, you will have 5 different floor plans available. Number 1, Hedgerow, which is a 5.5 bathroom, 3,328 square feet plus 3-car garage starting at $1.1 million. Number 2, the Hendricks floor plan, which is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 3,328 square feet, 3-car garage starting at $1,123,000. Number 3, Antioch, which is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 3,545 square feet plus, 3-car garage starting at $1,133,000. Number 4, you're gonna have the Payton, which is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 3,675 square feet plus, 3-car garage starting at $1,157,000. And number 5, the Roswell floor plan, which is a 5-bedroom, 4 to 5 bathroom, 1/2 bathroom, 3,812 square feet plus, 3-car garage starting at $1,182,000. So as you see, amazing community, only 24 homes, already 5 to 10 homes are already sold under contract, but they still have available 14 to 15 homes. So if you are looking for a luxury estate and you want to be in this amazing community in South Forsyth High School, which is 10 out of 10, which is a public school, some of the best in Georgia actually, make sure you contact us. We're gonna bring you here and you can choose the lot that you want for your family, and of course you can choose from the 5 different floor plans that they have available, the one that fits your needs. Amazing homes. This is going to be a beautiful community, smaller, only 24 homes, but gorgeous. As you know, Toll Brothers is the America's luxury builder, and these floor plans are beautiful. Now make sure you watch my other video, Brookemeade Trail by Toll Brothers. You're gonna have, and you can see the floor plan there. In that video I showed the model home, which was already ready. Gorgeous new construction by Toll Brothers. Now, as you see, this home site is available. The other one is sold, that one is available. So they have a lot still available. Now, what's amazing about this beautiful community, CrossCreek by Toll Brothers, it has an amazing location. So you're gonna be 1.8 mile from Laurel Springs Golf Club, and you're gonna be 1.8 mile from Windermere Golf Club, which are amazing golf clubs here in Cumming and Swanee. So very close to everything. You're gonna also be very close to the collection at Forsyth. 2.3 miles, and you are at the collection at Forsyth. They have a lot of restaurants, they have a lot of boutique stores, everything that you need. This beautiful area has it. Now you're gonna be also 4 miles from Halcyon, which is a mixed-use development. They have a lot of restaurants there as well, a winery, like so much going on. So many things. Like the location of this amazing community is outstanding. Like you will be close to everything. Very quiet. You're gonna be here. As you see, it goes like this in a L shape. So you're gonna be very far away from the street. Beautiful community. Now also you're gonna be very close, like 1.2 mile away from Dogwood Park. And of course, for those of you that love the lake life, as you know, Cumming is in North Georgia, so very close to Lake Sidney Lanier. Now if you have a boat, or if you love to paddleboard, or if you have a kayak and you want to go on Lake Lanier, you will be very close to Lake Sidney Lanier, so close to everything. Of course, again, amazing location for Toll Brothers. They are very well known for that. Toll Brothers is America's luxury builder, and when they choose the communities, they are making sure that the location is the best and the public schools are the best here in Georgia. And of course, this location and for this beautiful community, it has the best public schools, 10 out of 10. You will be in South Forsyth Public School High School, 10 out of 10. South Forsyth Middle School, 9 out of 10. Amazing location. Now make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you give us a call so we can bring you here so you can secure a home for you and your family. As you see, this model home is not ready yet, but for those of you that want to see a luxury single-family home built by Toll Brothers, we're actually going to go to Brookemeade, which is an amazing plan community built by Toll Brothers, and we're going to show you the model home that they have in Brookemeade, which is already done. It's still there because they have another community coming on the market, Brookemeade Trail, which is another video you can watch next if you're looking for a luxury community. Now let's go and check out the model home in Brookemeade, which is going to be pretty similar with this one, but at least you have an idea what kind of finishes Toll Brothers is using and how the floor plans are gonna look. The home is gorgeous. Now let's go and check it out. this video was helpful for those of you that are looking for a luxury estate and you want to be in the best public schools in Georgia. This is a beautiful community, so make sure you comment below and let me know how much is your budget and would you love to buy a property here in Cross Creek by Toll Brothers. This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.